In this video, I'm showing you how to find your LinkedIn profile link, how to share your LinkedIn profile, and how to share your LinkedIn posts without having that huge, ugly link. So let's get into it. First, we'll start with how to share or how to find your LinkedIn profile link. So this is very, very straightforward. If you go to your feed, you go to me, you go to view profile, this will bring you to your profile. And here, you should have the link to your profile in your browser up here. But if you're on your phone, then you won't have that. At this point, you go to edit, and here you edit contact info. And when you edit your contact info, you'll have your profile URL right here. So that will be the link you use to share your LinkedIn profile. And that's how you share your LinkedIn profile. You just copy and paste it. Next is how to share your LinkedIn post. Now this is a little bit different, okay? Because when you share your LinkedIn posts, you may have a very weird link. So if I click on these three dots, so to come here, you go to all activity, then you go to posts, and then you click the three dots and you click copy link to post. And if I paste this here, this is a long link. Look at how long this link is. And if I delete this, it doesn't work, okay? But that is one way to get your link. Personally, I don't like that method. So the first way is to click on these three dots and then click copy link to post. The method that I use is different because I use a tool called AuthorDuck. And with AuthorDuck, if I click on this post and then I click show in LinkedIn, as you can see, very, very big difference. This is much, much smaller. It doesn't have the title of the post in it, whereas this has the title of the post in it. But look at how long it is. It's ridiculously long. This is much easier for people to digest, although they're not going to be able to remember it. It's much easier for you to copy this and send it in a post or a message without it looking super intimidating or being like a super long ugly link. So that's why I like to use AuthorDuck for this. So you just click on whatever you've got scheduled and then you click on the LinkedIn thing. If you want other videos on AuthorDuck, let me know in the comment section down below, because it's a great platform. If you want to try AuthorDuck, there's a link for a free trial in the description down below as well. If you want to turn views into followers and turn followers into clients, you can do that by optimizing your LinkedIn profile to attract clients using my LinkedIn profile optimization checklist. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to download it now. You've got nothing to lose except for the opportunity to download this checklist for free, because it won't be free and available forever. Download it now. If you've got any questions or any other tutorials you want me to make, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video.